Go to www.booliencast.com. Click on Create Account button on the top menu to go to the registration page. If you have a referral link, click on the referral link and it will redirect you to the registration page automatically. On the registration page, ensure to fill the requirements properly and correctly as required. Your full name. This is expected to be your birth or biological name. It must not be unique. Your username. This should be unique. No two people are expected to have same username on BoolieNcast. Your email address. This should be a valid email address. We will send an email verification link to the email address to verify that it's valid. $50 welcome bonus is given only to users with verified emails. Same email is not allowed for different accounts. Retype your email. Enter the same valid email again. Choose password. Choose a strong secure password. Allowed minimum is 6 characters. Retype password. Enter same password again. Enter a payment address or account. Make sure to enter your correct payment address or account. You must not fill all, but you must enter at least one payment method. Enter the CAPTCHA code as shown. If it's not clear, click the refresh button to change the image. Click register button, and your account will be created. Once your account is created successfully, you will be automatically logged into your account and an email verification link will be sent to your registered email. The email may take 1 to 5 minutes to arrive in your inbox. Also check your spam and junk mail folder. We added another layer of security to enhance users' security. As a new user, after creating an account and now logged in, you will be prompted to set a security pattern for your account. Kindly draw the pattern that you can easily remember. Note you cannot change this pattern later, so kindly remember it and do not share with anyone. Once you have set your pattern successful, you will be granted full access to your account. If you have not verified your email, you will be notified in your account. Follow the notification instruction to resend the email verification link. Once you successfully verify your email, your $50 welcome bonus will be credited to your bonus account instantly and $20 will be credited to your referrer, if you were referred by another user. Note: if you encounter difficulty, check out for error messages, or contact our support. Now that you have created your account, it is still possible to make changes if you wish. In your account, by the left menu, click on Update Account. You will be prompted to draw your security pattern. Draw your pattern, and if your pattern match correctly, an email with a verification code will be sent to your registered email and you will be redirected to enter the code sent to you. Check your email for the code, and enter it as required. If you did everything right, you will be redirected automatically to update your account. Make the changes you wish to make, enter the CAPTCHA code as required, then submit. Your account will be updated. You can invite your friends to join using your referral link or banners and earn bonuses. On the top of the page, you can copy your referral link and share to friends or on social media. You can also use referral banners. On the right menu, click on My Referral Banners. There are different sizes of banners and links for each of them are provided. Copy the links and share on blogs or social media. To see a list of all the users you invited, on the right menu click My Referrals and it will display all the users you have referred. To see all the bonuses you have earned, on the right menu, click on All Bonus. If there is anything you did not understand, you can contact support. On the right menu click on Support. And choose the means to contact our support and you will be attended to as soon as possible.